Identifying direct buried insulated wire that has been damaged or compromised is often a time-consuming process, causing downtime and costly business interruptions. When you need a fast, easy, and effective way to detect and locate ground faults, you need the RIDGID A-frame fault locator. It quickly detects the precise location of damaged insulation, compromised splices, broken wire, and other faults up to 2 megohms of ground leakage. For easy, safe handling, the A-frame fault locator has a durable, lightweight, powder-coated aluminum frame, weatherproof membrane buttons, and American-made quality. To locate a fault, the RIDGID transmitter puts a low-frequency signal onto the conductor. If the grounds are connected, the signal will flow along the path of least resistance to ground, with only a small portion of the signal flowing from the fault. By disconnecting the grounds at both ends, the signal will flow entirely through the fault, easily detected by the A-frame receiver. To begin, safely disconnect both ends of the faulted conductor. Insert the supplied ground stake into the earth and connect the black lead to it. Now connect the transmitter's red lead to the conductor to transmit the signal through the fault. Turn the transmitter on and adjust the signal power. The circuit resistance, ohms, is displayed at the bottom of the display screen. The lower the resistance, the better the locate signal. And when there is a fault, the current leaks to ground through the insulation fault and back to the ground stake. The receiver detects the current flow to ground through the insulation fault. The first step is to identify and visually mark the location of the faulted conductor. Now you can use the A-frame transmitter and receiver to pinpoint the problem. Place the A-frame receiver between the ground stake and the transmitter connection to the conductor and turn the receiver on. The signal strength appears on the receiver display and will be highest near the ground stake and at the faults. Press the REF button to store a reference signal strength near the ground stake. When you reach the fault, you should see a similar value. Lift the receiver from the ground and move along the conductor path in the direction indicated by the arrow and the beeping. A long, slow beep indicates forward direction. A quick beep indicates backward direction. Insert the receiver spikes firmly in the ground while moving away from the ground stake along the conductor path. The signal will drop as you move away from the conductor, rise as you get closer to the fault, and peak when you are over the fault. When you pass the fault, the directional arrow will change direction. The beep will change from a long, slow beep to a quick beep, and the signal strength will decrease again. Go back to where the signal strength was strongest. Turn the A-frame fault locator perpendicular to the path of the conductor and move the receiver back and forth until just a slight movement causes the directional arrows and beeping to toggle back and forth. The fault is now centered between the spikes of the receiver. Mark the location of the fault and you're ready to repair the break, thanks to the quick, easy, and precise locating capabilities of the RIDGID A-frame fault locator. The A-frame fault locator works with conductors that are in contact with the earth and not in a conduit. And it works best where its spikes can make solid contact with earth. It is ideal for utility repair, municipalities, facility maintenance, and electrical contractors, with applications in electrical and cable service, telecommunications, railways, irrigation systems, invisible fences, and more. Visit this website for a list of RIDGID distributors that carry the RIDGID A-frame fault locator.